Good morning everyone. My name is Sumaya. I am studying in 7th grade. Now I am going to do artificial Yeah, Zoya, it's too hot.
Imagine if we were in Jammu and Kashmir, we were playing in snow and we were a snowman.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right, Zoya. Now I'm going to make artificial snow and place it as only Jammu and Kashmir.
Stop talking. Go to class, huh?
See, Zoya, it's looking like this.
Oh yeah, sir, you're right. How you can done this?
With the guidance of Science One.
Thank you.